Have you ever wondered why some people stay calm under pressure moments, bounce back from setback, and keep pushing towards their dream, while others quit at the first challenge? Today, I'm sharing the same direction on how to create a strong mindset so you can face any challenges with confidence and strength. Stick with me because by the end of this, you will be able to build a strong mindset that can handle anything life throws your way. 3 years ago, I was stuck. I had big dreams but little follow through. Every rejection was the lesson. Then I encountered a mentor who told me, mental strength isn't something you're born with. It's something you build every single day. That hit me hard. From that point, I make it my mission to learn how to develop a strong mind and be the type of person who doesn't break when things breaks down. If you're open to learning how to build a strong mindset, these are 5 daily routines that change my life and can change yours. Number 1, fast occasionally. Build resilience. Fasting isn't about health. It's about training your mind to realize that you can live without instant gratification. When you fast, even for a few hours, you train yourself to resist temptation. This simple routine teaches you how to make your mindset unbreakable by showing that you are the master of your body, not the other way round. Second, take cold showers. Embrace discomfort. Cold showers are nasty, and that's the point. Every time you get into that icy water, you're saying to yourself, I like discomfort. Over time, this is a strength in your nervous system and a statement about you that you can deal with hard things. That's how you build a tough mindset that performs well under stress. Third, practice discipline with food. Self-mastery. Food is everywhere. A daily practice of self-control to refuse junk and accept fuel is a reminder that you can master. It is crucial in learning how to build a strong positive attitude. As the moment you master making small choices, big ones will come easily as well. Fourth, learn to say no. Protect your energy. Every yes to something useless is a no to your growth. Finding the power to say no demonstrates that you have limits and keep your focus laser sharp tuned. This is how to create a stable mind that stands firm on what actually counts. Fifth, hold yourself accountable. Unshakable confidence. The fastest way to destroy self-belief is by failing to keep promises to yourself. Start small. Get up when you say you will. Get the workout in. Complete that project. Each time you do, your brain gets to observe you as someone it can rely on. This is how to keep a robust mindset no matter what. In hindsight, this will not only harden habits for my mind, but also rewired habits for my identity. I became no longer the person who would give up easily, but the person who lives for struggle. That is the secret, in fact, of how do you build a strong mindset. It's not about avoiding pain, but enduring it and coming out stronger. Now it's your turn. Which of these 5 habits are you going to hold yourself to this week? Fasting? Cold shower? Food discipline? Saying no? Or following through? Leave a reply in the comments so we can grow together. If this was helpful to you, click that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that you never miss a video on developing a strong mindset and unlocking your full potential.